Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the dashboard in the AMarkets broker. As you saw, we registered and verified our identity in this broker, and now we intend to teach each part of the dashboard. Initially, you are on the accounts page where you can view the balance of all your accounts. At the bottom, the daily profit or loss of the accounts is displayed to you. And by clicking on the Open Account option, you can open a new account for yourself in this section. In the next section, you can see your copy trading account and balance. And in this section, the deposit option is available to you. As you have seen in the videos related to deposits, you can fund your account using various methods. After funding your account, by clicking on the trade option, you can enter your trading platform and execute your trades in this section. And in the transfer section, you can transfer between your existing accounts in the AMarkets broker. In the next section called Withdraw, you can withdraw your account balance using various methods. And in the Transactions section, you can view your deposit and withdrawal operations in full detail. Well, in the Finance section, in addition to the options for deposit, withdrawal, internal transfer, and transaction history, you have the Payment System Template option where you can view and delete your payment methods. And in the Payment Method Verification section, you can add your deposit methods here. In the Services section, the first part is Premium Analytics, where you can obtain useful information about currency pairs and various stocks, and use this information for your trades. In the next part of Services, which is the trading plan, you can enter information about your account and trading process, and after clicking on the Calculate option, you will receive a suitable trading plan for risk management in your trades. In the next part of Services, you can view the sentiment indicator for different currencies across various time frames. And in the Trade Analyzer section, you can see the trading analysis of your accounts in this part. In the next part of Services, you have Trading Signals, where there are trading signals for different currency pairs across various time frames. Please note that these signals do not always guarantee profitability, and in some cases, they can also lead to losses. In the next section, you have Expert Advisors. On this page, there are various robots available for conducting your trades, which you can download based on their specifications. After installing and connecting them with the MetaTrader 5 platform, you can utilize these trades. By clicking on the name of each advisor, more information about it will be displayed for you. In the next section, as you can see, VPS hosting. The AMarkets broker has provided you with the capability to request your desired VPS from this broker. And in the VPN section, you can view and download various free and paid VPNs here. The next section is called Settings. In the Settings section, the first part is My Accounts, where you can view your various accounts. And in the next part, there is the option for New Live Account, where you can create your desired trading account from various categories. On this page, you need to select the type of account, platform, and currency unit you desire. And after choosing the leverage and accounting position you want, click on the Open Account option. Also, in the next section, there is the option for New Demo Account, where you can open a new demo account for yourself. In the next section, Settings, you can change the type of your account here. Here you need to select your desired account. And then in this section, you can change the type of your account. The next section is called copy trading, which is explained in detail in the video dedicated to copy trading. In the first section, we have the investor option where you can copy other people's trades. In the trader section, if you have your own trading strategy that others can copy, you can open a trader account here. When others copy your trades, you can earn profits and fees from this copying process. And in the next section, you can see the web terminal for MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms for your demo, Beltake, and real accounts. Again, in this section, you have the deposit option, and by clicking on the avatar option. In the My Profile section, you can view and edit the information you used during registration. You can also change your account password at the bottom section. View active sessions for your account or enable two-factor authentication for your account. At the bottom, you can also see the validity period of your account verification. The next section is called My Achievements. In this section, by conducting on trades, you are awarded various achievements that you can view here. The next section is the AMarket Cashback. By joining this section, the AMarket broker returns a portion of the trading spread to you as cashback. The more trades you conduct, the greater this amount will be. In the next section, you will see My Coupons, where you will receive more coupons by making more deposits. And by activating these coupons, you can take advantage of their benefits. In the next section, you can change the site language. And in the Invite Friends section, you can invite your friends to this broker. In the My Partner section, you can enter an affiliate code here and join an affiliate group. In this section, you will see the Partner Area option. In this section, you can apply for an IB agent or CPA webmaster and receive rewards by inviting others and having them join the AMarkets broker. In the next section, by clicking on the New Update option, you can view the features of the new update of this broker. If you encounter any issues or have questions in any part of the broker, you can click on this section to access the FAQ, Telegram support, or online support and ask your questions. Well, this was the complete tutorial of the AMarket Broker dashboard. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.